Have you ever been stuck in the middle of a project only to be halted by an unexpected message? It's frustrating, isn't it? If you've encountered the message, "A merge operation in progress," you're in the right place. Today, we're going to tackle this issue together. I completely understand how annoying it is when you're ready to move forward, but a simple message keeps you from doing so. You're not alone in this. Many developers face this issue when working with Git and Visual Studio. Let's break down the specific situation. One user recently pulled from a remote repository in Visual Studio, encountered a merge conflict, and manually merged the changes. After clicking Accept Merge, they were met with a message stating that a merge operation is in progress. Sound familiar? Let's dive into how we can resolve this. So what does this message mean? Essentially, it indicates that Visual Studio is waiting for you to finalize the merge process. Even if you see 0 pending changes, the system still thinks there's an operation in progress. Let's explore how to clear this up. And stick around. I have a great tip at the end that will help you avoid this issue in the future. To resolve the issue of being stuck at a merge operation in progress, the user should first check the status of their Git repository. This can be done by opening the terminal or command prompt and running the command to see the current state. Next, the user should look for any unmerged paths or conflicts that might still be present. If there are any, they need to resolve those conflicts before proceeding. Once all conflicts are resolved, the user should stage the changes. This can be done by using the command to add the resolved files to the staging area. Finally, the user can complete the merge operation by committing the changes. This is done by running the commit command, which finalizes the merge. Fun fact, did you know that Git was created by Linus Torvalds, the same person who developed Linux? It's a powerful tool, but even the best tools can have hiccups. Now, let's look at the answers provided by other users. One user faced the same issue and resolved it by using the command git reset hardhead. This command resets your repository to the last commit, effectively clearing the merge operation. You can also check the last commit ID with git rev parse head. If needed, you can reset to a specific commit using git reset hard last commit ID or git reset soft last commit ID to just move the pointer. That's it for that response. Let's explore another one. An alternative solution from another user suggests using Git for Windows. First, open a command window and navigate to your local repository. Then, launch Git-K and select Start Git Guy from the File menu. This will allow you to see the merge that needs to be committed. After committing, you can push your changes back to the origin from either Git-K or Visual Studio. Human, let's check out another perspective from a different user. One alternative solution comes from a user who suggests using an external tool called Fork to abort the merge operation. They found that nothing worked within Visual Studio itself. Now, let's dive into a different answer from another user. One alternative solution comes from a user who resolved the issue by manually deleting the index.lock file from the .git folder. This action cleared the merge operation that was in progress. Here's the tip I promised. Always make sure to commit or stash your changes before pulling from a remote repository. This simple habit can save you from merge headaches in the future. And there you have it. You should now be able to resolve the A merge operation in progress message. Remember, keeping your changes organized can prevent these issues. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe for more tips. And don't forget to check out our next video for more Git tricks.